Hey, Tobe. Cool shirt.
Thank you. I'm saving mine for the big day.
You see your brother's haircut?
Yeah.
Can I have a look at it in the daytime?
Yeah.
That's supposed to be a Rockynats haircut, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Righto, Brad. She gonna start? Oh, what'd you park it so close to my line for? There's a line, bro. Those tyres look so fat.
You go, bro.
How you feeling, Brad?
Pretty Rockynats-y. See those cars everywhere now? That's how you can tell we're in Rockynats.
And here.
Huh?
And hear it. You can
Yeah.
tell because we can hear it.
Yeah, everyone's stabbing it. Another hole. Officially in Rocky. Dad is over there just unloading the trailers. I'm over here absolutely baking in the sun. It's hot as hell out here in Rocky. We are just outside the scrutineering shed, ready to get these puppies going. Looking prime out here in the sun.
We made it. Both cars off the trailer. Heading into scrutineering now.
shed now. Got Tab here. Hey Tab, nice shirt.
Thank you. G'day. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
It's Rockynats. I'm gonna post the QR.
Have you got your goodie bag yet? No.
What's in it? The lollipops?
I don't know. Might be some
What's the point of coming along when you don't get lollipops? Probably jelly beans.
Last year they had drags capped at 350. Street drags,
What?
350 competitors.
Oh yeah.
This year they opened it and they got 512 competitors. That's what the lady was telling me. So it's going to be interesting how they get them all through the street drag. So what'd you get?
Like,
Sweet.
funny parts. Got a shirt.
Nice. Oh, good styling.
Got a. Whatever this is.
Little esky, big water bottle.
Whiskey bottle. It's got a whole bunch
Whole heap of stuff.
of cards, stickers.
Oh, you love your stickers. Any lollies? Any lollipops?
No, that
Oh, fan. It's a great idea. It's hot here, isn't it? It's always
Yeah.
hot in Rockynats.
no lollies.
No lollies.
What's even the phone?
So the feedback to Rocky for Rockynats is
Lollipops. Lollipops.
please.
Please.
We'd love some lollies.
Love lollies.
That's a nice engine, mate, Brad.
Thank you.
Deal with that yourself.
No.
How about you driving up in the Rockynats line for scrutineering? You're pretty lucky.
I feel important.
Yeah. All the other cool cars, you got your cool car. Didn't have to push your one, so that's handy. Yeah. Who put all those stickers on there?